Welcome to Food and Drink Saturday. Are you ready to test your brain? Keep your eyes open. A ghost fact could appear at any time. What type of cheese is traditionally used to make a croque monsieur? Correct, Gruyere. During which decade did the Bundt pan gain significant popularity in American baking? Precisely, 1960s. What popular Italian dessert, traditionally made with ladyfingers dipped in coffee, mascarpone cheese, and cocoa, saw a surge in popularity in the United States in the 1990s? Correct, tiramisu. What role do hydrocolloids, such as xanthan gum or guar gum, play in food products? Correct, modify texture and viscosity. Which celebrity chef gained widespread fame for his role as a judge on the cooking competition show Hell's Kitchen? Correct, Gordon Ramsay. Which of the following awards is not primarily focused on food and cuisine? Correct, Webby Award. What holiday treat was invented by accident when a candy maker tried to make taffy but failed, resulting in a hard, brittle candy? Correct, peanut brittle. What does the acronym SKA stand for in the coffee industry? That's right, Specialty Coffee Association of America. What is the primary leavening agent used in making a classic French soufflé? Correct, beaten egg whites. Which type of shellfish is often associated with Maryland and the Chesapeake Bay? Correct, blue crab. Follow for your daily brain workout tomorrow, general knowledge.